Imagine a world with intelligent technology on the road. Innovation that shares your care and concern for the ones you love. On every trip or errand. Silently sensing what's ahead and automatically stopping to save the day before you realize what even happened. In this world, it's not just about stopping in time, but turning out of harm's way too, especially during those times when you're a little distracted. Something that smart, hey, that deserves a second glance. And what if, to make your life easier, it detects and follows others in front for your convenience? Sounds like something from the future? Actually, it's available right now in advanced cars that sense what's ahead for a relaxing, safer drive.